Hello viewers, welcome to all the students who are watching these videos. Now in this video I'm explaining the limits and continuity eamcet problems continuation sums. Okay, now and also I'm giving the link in the description, the limits and continuity practice problems. All of you want see the description and open the link and solve the problems. Okay, before starting the problems, now here I'm explaining the two important formulas. So the first formula, limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equal to 1 power infinite form. That is, when we take x is equal to given limit in the given question directly, if it returns the value 1 power infinite, then we use this formula to solve this question. What is the formula? Limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. When we apply this formula, when we have the answer is equal to 1 power infinity in the direct substitution, then we use this formula. Okay, and the next one, limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to 0 power 0 or infinite power 0. When we have the answer in this form, then we apply the form x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to e power limit x tends to a g of x into log of f of x. So these are the very important formulas. Okay, these are the last formulas in the limits and continuity. All formulas are completed up to here. Okay, now the question. Now the first problem, sum number 40, limit x tends to 1 2 minus x power tan of pi x by 2. Okay, so first I take that x is equal to 1 directly in the given question. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Tan pi by 2 into 1. Tan pi by 2 is equals to infinite. So it returns the value 1 power infinite. So here we use one formula to solve this question. And what is the formula? Limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. Very important formula. Most frequently repeated model in the examination. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 2 minus x power tan of pi x by 2 is equals to e power limit x tends to a. What is limit value? X tends to 1. G of x. What is g of x value? Tan of pi x by 2 into f of x minus 1. That is 2 minus x minus 1. Okay. And this is equals to e power limit x tends to 1. 2 minus 1 minus x. That is 1 minus x by tan pi x by 2 is equal to 1 by cot pi x by 2. Just I take the tan is equal to 1 by cot here. Okay. Now when we take x is equal to 1 directly in this one, then what it returns? 1 minus 1 0, cot pi by 2 into 1, cot pi by 2 0. So it returns the value 0 by 0. Then we apply the L'Hospital rule to this one to solve this part. Okay. So this is equals to e power limit x tends to 1 derivative 0 minus 6 derivative minus 1 by x derivative minus cosecant square x. What is x here? Pi x by 2. Again pi x by 2 derivative pi by 2. Now replacing that x is equal to 1 here, then we get minus 1 by cosecant square pi by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 into pi by 2. So the answer is equals to e power 2 by pi. That's all. That is the second option. Very easy question. When we take x is equal to 1 directly in the given question, then it returns the value 1 power infinity. So simply we apply the formula to get the required answer. Very easy. Just applying the formula. Next question, limit x tends to 0 plus sin x power tan x is equals to. Okay, so taking that x is equal to 0 directly in the given question first, then what it returns? 0 power 0, sin 0 0, tan 0 0. When we get the 0 by 0, then we have one formula. What is that formula? Limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to e power limit x tends to a g of x into log of f of x. This is the formula for the form 0 power 0. G of x into log of f of x. Applying that formula here, therefore limit x tends to 0 plus sin x power tan x is equals to e power limit x tends to 0 plus g of x is equal to tan x into log of f of x is equal to sin x. Okay, just replacing the values, and this is equals to e power limit x tends to 0 tan x is equal to 0, tan 0 is equal to 0, so 0 into anything equal to 0, so e power 0, that is answer is equals to 1. Tan 0 0, 0 into anything equals to 0, e power 0, that is equals to 1. That's all. Answer is equal to 1. That is the fourth option. Next one, limit n tends to infinite pi n power 2 pi n. Okay, first taking that n is equal to infinite directly in the given question, then it returns the value infinite power 0. Infinite power 0 means we have the one particular formula. What is that formula? Limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to, the answer is e power limit x tends to a g of x into log of f of x. So this is the formula to find the limit to the form infinite power 0. Now applying the formula here, therefore limit n tends to infinity pi n power 2 by n is equals to e power limit n tends to infinite g of x. What is g of x value? 2 pi n into log of pi n. Okay. Now replacing that n is equals to infinite, e power n is equals to infinite, 2 by infinity is equal to 0, 0 into anything equal to 0, so the answer is equal to 1. Directly we can get the answer by applying the formula. The next question, limit x tends to infinite a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x by 3 power x is equals to. Direct formula, the answer is equals to abc power 1 by 3, and this is the most important formula, very important sum. Limit x tends to infinity a power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x by 3 whole power x is equal to, the direct answer is equal to ab 3 power 1 by 3. Okay, just remember the formula. This is the direct formula. And the next question, sum number 44, limit n tends to infinite 1 plus sine of a by n power n is equals to. Taking the n is equal to infinite directly in the given question, then what it returns? A by infinity. A by infinity is equal to 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So it returns the value 1 power infinity. Now what is the formula for this type of question, for this limit value? So the formula is equal to limit x tends to a f of x power g of x is equals to e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. 1 power infinity means we take the formula g of x into f of x minus 1. Therefore the question is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 plus sine of a by n power n is equals to e power limit n tends to infinity g of x. What is g of x value? N into f of x minus 1. 1 plus sine of a by n minus 1. Now here 1 and 1 gets cancelled, so this is equals to limit n tends to infinite. So this is sine of a by n by 1 by n. Just writing this n at the denominator, sine of a by n by 1 by n. So this is equals to limit 1 by n tends to 0. Okay, n tends to infinity means 1 by n tends to 0. This is a into 1 by n by 1 by n. So clearly this is in the form of limit x tends to 0 sine of ax by x. And what is that value? A. So answer is equal to, so answer is equals to e power a, and that is the second option. Very easy question.